Hi children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today our amazing assignment is Chapter 2 Addition and Subtraction Worksheet. You can refer textbook page number 68 and 69. So first one, solve the following. So here addition sum is given. We have to add the given numbers. 7 plus 1. 7 after 1 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 4 after 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. 5 plus 7 is, so you know 5 after 7 numbers. It will be the 12. Write 2 here, 1 regroup it. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the sum equal to 3,82,968. So coming to next one, here 3 numbers are given. Here 3 numbers are given. So we have to add the given numbers. So first we have to start from 1's column. 2 plus 8 plus 5. 2 plus 8 how much? 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So write 5 here. 1 regroup it. So in 10's column 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 after 1 is 6. 6 after 0 means here 6. Now add in 100's column 8 plus 5 plus 1. 8 plus 5. 8 after 5 numbers is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. So in 14 we can write here 4. 1 regroup it. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. So write 3 here and 1 regroup it. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. So in 11 we have to write 1 here and 1 regroup it. 1 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 5 how much? 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the sum equal to 9,13,465. Got it children? Coming to we have to do the subtraction. Here we have to find the difference. Okay. So can we subtract 2 minus 9? No. So what we have to do? We have to regroup it. So from where we have to take the tens place column. So we have to take it 110. So 110 plus 2 ones is 12. Means this 2 will become 12. This 5 will become 4. 12 minus 9. So 12 minus 9 how much? So subtract 9 fingers. You will get 3. Now 4 minus 9. Can you subtract 4 minus 9? No. So we have to regroup it again. So from 100's column. So this 4 will become 3. This 4 will become 14. Means what? 10 we are taking. 10 plus 4 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. 9 minus 7 is 2. Can we subtract 1 minus 9? No children. So again what we have to do? We have to regroup it. So from where? From last place. So this 1 will become 11. This 6 will become 5. 11 minus 9 is 2. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So the difference is 4,22,253. Okay. Now coming to, we have to find the missing numbers. We have to find the missing numbers. So here first we have to start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s and lakhs. So can you observe here? So already you know this will be the minuend and this will be the subtrahend and this will be the difference. So you know that one, minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. Okay. Or minuend minus difference you will get subtrahend. Okay. So subtrahend plus difference you will get minuend. Okay children. So using these formulas we have to find these missing numbers. So here 5. So we have to find this number equal to, the difference is 5. So how much subtract from 5 that is nothing but 0. If you subtract 0 from 5, you will get 5. So here the missing number is 0. The missing number is 0. So here 2. So we have to find this missing number, and the difference you got 6. Means can you subtract 2 from this number will get 6. So can you subtract 2 from any number will get the 6? No. So what we have to do? We have to take the regrouping. So means just I am taking from here. So this will become 8. This will become 12. Okay. So how much subtract from 12? You will get 6. How much subtract 12? You will get 6. So already one more formula explained. Minuend minus difference equal to subtract. Means 12 minus 6. You will get the subtract. So 12 minus 6 equal to 6. So the missing number is 6. Okay. Now here 8 minus 1 is 7. The missing number is 7. So you have to find this missing number. How much subtract from 5? You will get 2. How much subtract from 5? You will get 2. Means, so already 5 is the minuend, and how much you have to subtract? You will get 2. Means 5 minus something equal to 2. So what we have to do here? 5 minus 2, if you subtract, you will get the missing number also. So what is the missing number here? 3. What is the missing number? 3. Got it, children? Now 1 minus 3 equal to missing number. Can you subtract 1 minus 3? No. So what we have to do? We have to regroup it. So from where? From last period. So how much you are subtracting? How much you have to take the regrouping? One number. Means it will become 110, and this one will come 11. So 11 minus 3 equal to how much? 8. 11 minus 3 equal to 8. This 6 will become 5. So how much you subtract from 5? You will get 2. So means minuend minus subtrahend equal to difference. Already here you know this minuend 5, and you have to find the subtrahend, and you know the difference 2. Means if you subtract 5 minus 2 equal to 3. If you subtract 5 minus 2, we will get 3. Means this missing number. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So the difference is this number. Got it, children? Here depends on the terms of the subtraction. We find the missing numbers. Coming to next one. On a particular day, 20,326 women, 30,422 men and 8,921 children travelled by metro train. How many passengers travelled by metro train on that day? So what we have to do here? So we have to do number of women passengers, number of men passengers, number of children. So we have to add the total. We get the total number of passengers we get. So write solution number of women equal to 20,326 number of men equal to 30,422 number of children equal to 8,921. Now add all. 6 plus 2 plus 1 equal to how much? 6 plus 2 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2 equal to 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8 is 9. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. So total number of passengers equal to 59,669. What is? Coming to next one. A company manufactured 30,470 cars in the year 2012, 40,535 cars in the year 2013 and 42,110 cars in the year 2014. So from the information we have to find what is the total number of cars manufactured in 3 years. So first we have to write number of cars manufactured in 2012 equal to 30,470 and in 2013 equal to 40,535 and in 2014 equal to 42,110. Now total number of cars manufactured equal to, we have to add 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 3 is 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. Now 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 1,13,150. Coming to next bit. How many more cars were manufactured in 2013 than 2012? So number of cars manufactured in 2013 equal to how many children? So just in 2012 is 30,470 and 2013 is 40,535. 40,535 and in 2012 equal to how many? 30,470. 30,470. Subtract 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 7 we cannot. So we regroup it. 3 will become 13. This 5 will become 4. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 3 is 1. So 10,065. So more number of cars. More number of cars. Means 10,065 cars more than 2012. Is 2012 only manufactured 30,470. But more number of cars we have to find. So means how many more or manufactured 10,065. 10,065. Coming to next one. Estimate the following and then compare the estimated value with the actual result. Round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000s. So first estimate the values. So first the sum of 5,73,412 and 3,24,537. So first estimate 5,73,412 to the nearest 10,000s. To the nearest 10,000s. So what did you get? So while rounding to the nearest 10,000s, we have to check the thousands place number. So what is that one? 3. So 3 is below 5. Means this number in between 5,70,000 and 5,80,000. Below 5 means below 10,000 will come. So that will be 5,70,000. Okay. And here 3,24,537. So we are rounding to the nearest 10,000s. So here again we have to check the number in thousands place number, that is 4. 4 is below 5. So below 5 means below 10,000s we have to take. So means this number in between 3,20,000 and 3,30,000. So below 5 means we have to take 3,20,000. 3,20,000. We have to find the sum, means add. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. So we get 8,90,000. 8,90,000. This is the estimated sum. Estimated sum. Now coming to actual sum. Actual sum. So what is the given numbers? 5,73,412 and 3,24,537. Now add. 2 plus 7 is 9. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. So we have to compare. We have to see, compare the estimated value and the actual result. So what is the actual result? Actual result is 8,97,949. So estimated value is 8,90,000. So this will be the smaller than, that means less than this actual sum. Now coming to next one. The difference of 51,56,764 and 3,22,352. So first estimated difference. We have to find the estimated difference. So to the nearest 10,000, 51,56,764. So while rounding to the nearest 10,000s, we have to check in thousands place number. So what is it one? 6. 6 means above 5. So means this number in between 51,50,000 and 51,60,000. So it is, we are taking the above 10,000s. Means we will take 51,60,000. 51,60,000. Okay, children. Coming to next number. 3,22,352. So to the nearest 10,000s. To the nearest 10,000s means we have to check in thousands number, thousands place number. So what is that one? 2. 2 means below 5. Below 5 means below 10,000 we have to take. Means that this number in between 3,20,000 and 3,30,000. So we will take 3,20,000. What is that one? 3,20,000. We have to find the difference. So estimated difference is 0 minus 0 is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now 6 minus 2 is 4. 1 minus 3 we cannot. This one will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. This 5 will become 4. Now 4. So we'll get 48,40,000. Now actual difference. So what are the given numbers? 51,56,764 and 3,22,352. So now subtract, you will get the difference. 4 minus 2 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3. So 1 minus 3 we cannot. So 1 will become 11. 11 minus 3 is 8 and this 5 will become 4. So we will get the 4. So 48,34,412. If you round into the nearest 10,000, we will get the 48,40,000 or 48,30,000. It will become 48,30,000. So here, which is the greater one here? 48,40,000 and 48,34,412. So it will be the greater one. Okay children, got it? Practice once again. Thank you.